So in this video series, I am starting with a completely blank evaluagent contract and we'll build it up to a fully functional. So right now we've got absolutely nothing in here. There's obviously no data. There's no conversations coming through. The only thing that has been set up is the API has been enabled, but we've got no conversations that's came in. The other thing that's been done is the structure has been added. So I've added in customer service, some teams, complaints, and so forth. Added in these emojis to see to see how they feel. The example team that was created at the very start, I've changed that to a chatbot team, and the agent that's in there as a chatbot agent. So that's really to facilitate the chatbot conversations. So that's the structure. In terms of the user list, we only have this used to be the example agent, and I've just changed this to reflect a chatbot because those conversations that come in from the chatbot, we'll score those separately. So that's just set up as a taking advantage of the example agent that's created. While I'm navigating through the platform, I'm going to be using the command palette. So I will Command and K up there, or Control and K if you're using a PC, and that allows me to navigate through the different parts of the platform rather than using the sidebar. So let's take a look at our users. So we've got the two users in there. Obviously, I'm in here. Um, the chatbot is in here, so we're going to have to add in some users. I'm not going to put loads of users in here, but what I am going to do is bulk upload them. So I am going to use the bulk upload users button, and I'm just going to use the template that's provided in the help guides so that there's no formatting issues in here. So I'll take that. Like so. Okay, so this is straightforward enough. We just need the full name, surname, email, username, etc. Switch ID is the third-party user ID. Typically, when telephony systems, etc., are identifying their users, they will use the email as an identifier. But in cases where that doesn't happen, then we can add in whatever ID that third-party system uses, and that will allow us to match the agent with that conversation. We'll add in the role in here, and we will give them system access just by a yes or no. Now, when completing this document, the roles are taken from the roles and permission, or the roles that we've got set up here. So as long as they match one of these, then we won't get any errors. Now, in the interest of time, and because it's essentially, fake data that we're putting in, all I'm going to do is drop that in here, and we'll say, so this should, in theory, provide us with a fully completed CSV. Now, whether it gives us the download of the text, that's fine. To be honest, I probably would prefer the text. So let's see what this gives us. Okay, let's see what happens. So it's downloaded the template there. I'm going to come back into here and come to my users, and we'll upload those users. So I think it's that one. So I'm going to hit import here and see what happens. Looks good. Okay, excellent. So the next step here is assigning where these people are going to go. So we can either assign a team reporting access to enable batch assignment options. I've never used that before. Okay, so what this will do in cases where we are uploading separate batches, so let's say we're uploading teams at a time, we can bulk assign those teams and reporting access, because this is what we're going to do here individually, because we've got different teams or different agents that fall within different teams in here. So all I'm going to do for the agent role, we are just going to drop those into the teams. Now, all of these guys here are deactivated, so that's interesting that that's bringing it through. So let's start off with Team Orange first. Now, it's interesting that's been filled in with being alphabetical, so just to mix things up. Now, the reason I'm giving them full business access is so that, you know, when we're running calibrations, etc., later on, we don't run into any permission issues. If this was a real scenario, then we would obviously assign the appropriate reporting level for these guys based on what they should be getting. So once we've done that, we can save the changes in there. And lo and behold, all of our agents are in there. Now, obviously, these guys we need to put in the profile pages, so that's something I guess we can do. Yeah. Okay, so that's our users done. So let's take a look at our dashboard filters. So we can see, yep, all those agents are shown in there as well. Our imported contacts, we've got all of that. So yeah, that looks good.